active tracking can help improve your shots on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Active tracking will lock onto a face, a subject, an object, and the results can be pretty amazing. First thing you want to do is either on the screen of the Osmo Pocket 3 itself or on the Mimo app, select the object that you want to track. You're going to double tap. Look for the green square. If you single tap, you'll get the yellow square, which indicates your point of focus. The screen will tell you active tracking enabled. If you don't get a good lock from tapping the screen, what you can do is on the Mimo app, just drag your finger to draw like a square around what it is that you're trying to track. From there, when you hit record, it's going to keep that person or that object locked. Here's an example of the active tracking on where I'm doing this raised effect. I'm in follow mode, and it's just staying locked onto this little embankment here. Now that's a particular effect. Here it is without active tracking, and it's doing more of a reveal. If you're going to record yourself, what you do is swipe down on the Pocket 3, and the top right icon is going to be FT selfie. So that's face tracking selfie mode. So when you're in selfie mode, it's going to follow you around. Now, one of the cool things you can do is if you're going to set this on a tripod and walk away and record yourself, on the Mimo app, just draw a box around yourself, hit record, and it will follow you. That's very handy if you're showcasing something, if you want to just add a little bit of movement. It just makes it a lot more fun to record yourself instead of having just a solid lockdown track, and it just allows you that flexibility to move around and have the camera follow you. One of my favorite tricks is getting the parallax effect if you're following a person or an object, and it's just walking around that subject and getting that background to spin. Another thing that it can do is just add a little bit of extra stabilization to an already stabilized camera. Let's take a look at this example. So I have this tree centered, and as I'm turning the gimbal back and forth, you can see that it's keeping the head locked, and the head is locked because it's locked onto this tree. As opposed to if I don't have active tracking on, when I do that same movement, it's going to go back and forth. There's another way to do this, and that is dynamic framing. So to activate dynamic framing, tap the little joystick icon. Once you hit start, you'll see there's 6 different points that you can select where you want the tracking to occur. So if you wanted to do like an upper thirds or lower third tracking, you would select that with your joystick, put your object in that part of the frame, and then once you hit record, no matter where you move the gimbal, it's going to keep that object or subject in that part of your frame. So let's say I want to keep myself framed here. I could pick center. I have any of these 6 sections of the frame. So what I'll do now is I'll do active tracking, and I'll keep my face in the upper right hand side of the screen. It's got a track on me, and now as I move around, it will keep me in that section. So it's doing its best to keep me in the upper right hand section of the frame. Even as I stand up, it will do that. Sit down. If I move over here, it's going to follow me and keep me in that same section of the frame. So that's active tracking on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. A lot of their products have it, the GoPros, the drones. It's a very handy feature to have, especially for a gimbal moving camera, just to keep things locked and in place. Depending on what you're trying to achieve, it can really add this extra bit of dynamic movement to this already great camera. How are you using dynamic framing? How are you using active tracking? Are there any other methods that I didn't talk about? If you are curious about the different gimbal modes, there's a great video that I have here. It's very short, sweet, right to the point on the 3 different modes and how you can get the best out of those modes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.